And this little butterfly don't seem too well, so I've been feeding him some flour. There he goes, look at his tail. His wings are a bit wrinkled, so I don't know whether he's going to be alright or not. I've just given him a little bit of flour. Look at his little tongue, it's amazing, isn't it? It's gone on there now. Hopefully he can get the energy to fly off. But his wing looks a bit crinkled. You alright, mate? You're looking better than you was anyway. That's it, you have some flowers.